You got me driving back and forth between buildings.
Well, it's because we're working so fast.
And you are working fast. Look at that. No top.
No top.
What's that look like, the top?
The top here. Want to come look at
Flimsy? It? Yeah, let's go look at the top. Okay, there's the top. It's off.
There it is.
All that trim needs to come off.
Yep.
All of it. Nicely. That may just peel off. I don't know how it comes off. Oh, this is fiberglass right here.
That is too? Okay, well then here,
well, this is a panel. Yeah.
We'll unscrew this and then we'll pop this wood off of there, I think.
Huh. Okay, we'll just have to dissect this and see what it looks like.
Okay.
All right.
I haven't thought about it yet.
All right, this is DIY day.
Yep.
Not for me, for you.
For me, yeah.
Okay, so who we got here?
Liam.
William. So I was gonna have Snapper introduce you.
Yeah.
So what? William looks like a big boy here.
He's pretty tall.
So where do you play?
Left tackle.
Left tackle. So we got the line going on.
Yep.
All right, so you're gonna tackle this thing?
Yep, we should. Should get it done.
What are we doing?
Gutting it out. Cleaning
Gutting it?
Yeah, getting it all out of there.
We're gonna reglass the top. This is an old Chinook. And we had somebody come by and said, hey, he wants to make it into a new Chinook. So I will be checking on you periodically during the day. Don't throw that away. You may want that as stainless. It can go in the scrap pile. Okay, so we're cleaning it up. You guys are like, yeah, just keep all them kind of parts.
Okay.
This isn't going to be as easy as we thought, though.
Nope, kind of sucks because we thought it was just a flat piece of metal all the way across. Just pull up this wood. As you can tell,
not so much.
No, so it kind of sucks.
All right, so we're gonna.
But I feel the metal right there.
Get the top off. Pull that pieces off of there. Like
Yep.
we were just unsnapping that one. And don't call me until you're ready to take the top off.
Until I'm ready to take the top off.
Well, let's push on it. Once you boys get in there, don't fall through, and let's see what happens.
Okay. Well, you can see why it needs it repaired.
So
right
it
there.
just comes off.
That's what it looks like from right here.
So you're not going to get in and fall through and give me some kind of viral YouTube video where you're all trapped.
I know that's what you were looking for, but
I was hoping. Okay,
heavy,
well,
though. Sheesh.
Get that off.
Okay.
Take it in the building.
Okay.
Turn it upside down and unsnap all them parts carefully. Keep it as clean as possible so when we do the upholstery,
okay,
we
he's
got good
patterns. Okay.
All right, we're good. So you didn't need me?
I guess not.
All right. Well, the boys just took off for lunch, and it looks like the Chinook project is going to be a little more than I expected. We can handle it. We're going to see how good they are. We're going to clean out the whole floor here, it looks like. And I'm not sure how we're going to do it. I had a plan yesterday, but it's a whole new plan today. But we'll see how these boys do. See if this thing can be upside down like a turtle and cleaned up by the end of the day. There we are. We have the snapper and blindside. You're here early.
Yep.
It should have dawned on me yesterday when you said you were going to come in early and only work 4 hours. That today was Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I figured that out. I'm drinking coffee on the porch this morning while you were actually working.
Yep.
So what are we doing? We getting it?
Yeah, we're getting it sanded. Trying to sand it down so we can get it ready for Eric and chipping away at all this wood.
All right, so we'll give you some more heavy-duty grinder sander stuff.
Yeah.
I think what we'll do is get a couple of barrels, get 4 barrels,
and
put some wood between the barrels, and then get this thing sitting.
Okay.
I need the 32 set up to put the floor in. We got the jig over there.
Okay.
Okay. So if I tell you that, you know what you're doing, or do I need to?
Well, I don't know which one the floor is, and then I kind of know how to set it up on the jig, but.
So I probably should supervise that for a moment.
Probably
Okay. Well, we're gonna do that then. Okay. So you're a manager in training, right?
Right.
You want to go to college for construction management?
I'm thinking about it right now, yeah.
Okay, so it's just construction?
Basically.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm talking to corporate. We may offer a corporate scholarship for our senior of the year at Spirit. I don't know. We'll have to talk about that next year.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, I'm going to give you guys about, 10 minutes worth of, well, pretty much whatever you're watching it live here on real time. So we got kind of a deal here. This is the flimsiest thing I've ever seen. So you can kind of see how it's angled there, but how it dips up. So we've got boards making it straight. We need this line to be straight all the way across, although it dips there. So we're gonna put a board there. That'll work. I think what I'll do is I'll get some angle iron from the other shop. We'll clamp it on this so we got a good straight line on that. So when you sight down it, I want a straight line. You can kind of see on this side, we're not so straight
At all.
So we'll go ahead and get that. All this needs to get ground out. A lot of missing stuff, but this is pretty
It's pretty rough.
flimsy.
Yeah,
Incredibly flimsy.
they had that. It was just a one by one all the way through. That's what kept the shape.
Well, we're gonna do this with the Plascore.
Okay.
And we'll figure it out. Get it ground. At least it's up in the air. You can work on it easier. Get that 32 done.
Okay.
And then we'll grade him
Sweet.
on his management. So we'll see if he gets
Sure.
blindsided or not.
You might.
I caught him working. Oh, we got the fan background noise. Why don't we turn that off?
Yeah, let me go.
All right, so you've been grinding. How's it grinding off?
Oh my gosh, way better than using that sander. Like,
Oh, okay. So I'll get some better grinding discs and it'll come out better. You guys are almost done for the day?
yeah, we probably are. Yeah, we're probably almost done.
I'm just getting started. So you got this stuck on there?
Yeah, it kind of slid off since we've been working on it.
Yeah, we'll probably need to put better clamps on to make sure we're getting the right
And
line.
yeah, we're gonna use some vice grips on it. I kind of use these just to kind of get an idea of how it's gonna kind of play out and work. See, like once you have like a vice grip on it, this won't happen. You can use this as a straight edge and keep everything.
All right, well, looks like we're making progress anyway.
Oh yeah.
So
It's
I'm
always the
gonna
goal,
I'm gonna
right?
go do something now, and you guys can go play.
Yeah, we'll play it.
Did he blindside you yet?
Not yet.
No,
but
he
he's been talking
made
about
me
it.
angry enough.
He's been.
You got to
He
be
might get it.
creative.
He's been talking
You got to
about
be
it.
creative. You can't see it coming.
Yeah, he's.
Okay.
I
been
know.
telling me I
When
need-
he's
been
grinding,
telling
I
me
might
need
walk
to
over there,
watch-
you know,
yeah,
hit him with
he's
the
been
blind
telling
side.
me. He's been telling me you better watch your back, you know. So. Yeah.
All right, we got a late start today.
Yep.
Had to take the dog to the vet. You guys helped me do that. So we're on the Chinook. I've been researching Chinooks. They got a little bit of a following. Some of them are pretty cool. So I kind of figure how it works. I need to have this thing off of here.
Wait, what thing? Off of where?
This thing
The whole.
off of the car. So we're going to take this floor out totally. I want to save that fender wells and fender wells. I don't care if you take a Sawzall and cut it along the edge. What you got to do, we got to pull that off up there. And this is what I thought it was. It's the cot option, the very rare cot option. So that comes across there. There's a piece that goes on there, and
Yep.
that's a cot.
And you like lay on it like a bed.
So
Pretty cool.
that is cool. So you guys got a job out here.
Yeah.
You want to get this off
I got a
of here?
spider on you.
I got a spider on me. Uh-oh. Can't imagine.
That's the only spot. Man, we can't saw back yet.
Okay. Time is money.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying. Trust me, I'm trying.
So we're about ready to take it off. We moved it this far, except it's stuck.
Yeah, I think it's just those wires.
We got Brian up here. Look at him. Look at him. You know what he's not doing?
Working.
He's not working. Let's get this off. Just telling Brian, it's a family joke how many lives I don't have any left anymore.
Yeah.
They about gave me another near-death experience trying to run me over as I'm falling down the hill. But, cut the floor out.
Okay.
Got it. Take the scissor thing off of here, take all that off.
Want these windows off?
Take that cot off. No, yeah, take the windows out. Take the windows out, take all that out. Oh, and restack them windows over there so that the glass is not leaning on something. Yeah, pull these out. Yeah, definitely, this is kind of messed up here a little bit. Take the
We got like a.
take the super rare cot out of there.
What they do?
We've got the other cot I seen over on the ground over there.
Pipe wires or.
Okay, it's like camping under the stars here, right?
Oh, I wish. Getting it knocked out though.
So clean up the edges. You can kind of see where it's been kind of put together.
Yep. Get it all cleaned up.
You about done for the day then?
Yep, we're about done.
You got my top piece. I can work on that tonight with Eric, and
Yes, sir.
good deal. It's a Chinook.
The Chinook.
And we need to get all the trim pieces off and work on the windows a little bit more.
Yep.
All right, well,
Windows
very
being a
good.
pain, but getting it all figured out.
All right, well, I'm gonna go work on, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next.
It's not like you got a small list of things you gotta.
No, watch
Wherever the wind
watch
takes
the
it
video. Yeah, watch the video and you'll know what I did next.
Oh, I know what you're working on.
What?
Are you doing your little project over there?
Oh, I forgot that. I didn't come in Sunday. They already
I feel
know.
left out.
You feel left out on
Yeah, I
the
wanna
other?
know what it is.
Oh, well, you gotta watch the video.
You gotta watch the videos.
All right, so we'll see you guys in the morning.
Snapper and blindside are out.
Yeah, you blindside. So I've been cleaning it up. The boys have been out there working. I ground this. I think I have a plan. I'm not going to chop the first layer here. I'm going to go ahead and just wet out some glass. So I've laid out some glass here. I've cut some core mat somewhere right here. We're going to put the core mat into the side. We're going to weight it down because you can see how much, I don't know if you can tell how much this is folding down, but I got a board underneath of it, and we're going to get it back in this right shape that it's supposed to be in. All right, so I've hand laid all this in here. Eric's rolling. You can see some of the air in there. You can see this air bubble. So I'm rolling all the air out real quick, and then I'm going to put some plaster on top of this. Oh, two hands. That's not how it's supposed to work. Anyway, roll it out like this. I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out. This is definitely time sensitive, and it's pretty warm tonight, so I want to get this all rolled out and get my plaster on here. All right, so if this is something you're going to be doing, definitely clean the rollers often at acetone. Anyway, so I didn't even put out signs, or all the signs I could have. So anyway, besides that, I got this rolled out. Now what I'm going to do is put my plaster in here. I'm just going to, this is a plastic honeycomb in the middle with like a piece of, looks like material on one side and then material on the other side. It's all cut so it can go one direction, bend, so it won't bend the other way. I put a 45 on the end so I can roll over the top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in here up to the edge. And what I'm going to do is weight it down. Once I get all this in like that, I should have 45 that end. I didn't, but life will go on. I'll weight it down now. And that should hold that shape. So I've got everybody weighted down here underneath of this lip. You can see I've got a 2x6, so when I weight it down, it went down pretty flat against that 2x6, so that should have the right shape there. And then we'll go ahead, when that dries, we're going to chop over the top of that. And that's going to work out really well. I think, I hope. We'll find out.